Hi gang, this is Mike G from Mr. GTV, having just come back from my daughter's, and she's gardening and they grow different produce. Gez and her have got a greenhouse, and her garden at the front is nice. It's a play area for the kids, and at the back they're growing salad and fruits and vegetables to the best of their ability. They're just learning as a young couple. My mum and dad did the same, and on the farm in Thailand, where you've seen me, my retreat, there's a farm team there who grow organic fruit, veg, nuts, salads, all sorts of wonderful things, spices and herbs, which mean that I'm not buying very much stuff to eat in Thailand. And of course, it's traded as well. It's wholesaled to different sellers, market sellers, but it's also used for the farm team. It supports them, which they take as part of their salary, and it also feeds the family in Thailand. Why am I telling you this? Have you ever considered growing your own fruit and vegetables and berries and herbs and spices? If you just have a small garden or no garden, you can do it in pots. You can have mushroom sacks, you can have tomato plants, you can have all sorts of things grown out of pots. And I'm sure that if you've got more space, you could designate an area for fruit and veg and salad stuffs, and just think about how much you'd save. And then there's other people that you know and I know who've got bigger gardens, more space. We could trade in what we grow, rather than having lawns, turning your lawn into almost like a market garden, or making a vegetable plot, or having a greenhouse for the same purpose. And then we could trade. You'd really reduce what you spend on your foods. You'd eat healthy, you'd be healthy. You could do it organic or not, your choice. I'd go organic personally, but you do what's right for you and what you're able to do within your budget. But as a concept, it's never encouraged. Just look at your lawn and just say, if I could give up maybe, I don't know, 3 square meters or something like 5x3 a plot or bigger, what could you grow in that? Look into this, guys, because this is the future. And if we go into any future restrictions, I'll use those words, then that's there for you. Money in the bank, saving money, more healthy. And as I say, we need to trade. There's absolutely no reason for anybody to starve. Absolutely no reason for anybody to starve. Imagine if you just planted an apple tree in your garden. I had in Burnage and also in Old Colwyn 2 apple trees, a baker and an eating apple tree. And as I say, I absolutely love growing mushrooms, and there's all sorts of things you can grow, and it's fun. And I'm not particularly green-fingered or a keen gardener, but I like farming, and maybe you would as well. So think about that, be powerful, enjoy your mind, and if you apply yourself, there's no reason to starve and waste money on crap stuff. You can eat healthy and eat organic, and you can also feed other people with what you're able to produce, and we should share because we care. Take care.